dark, we don't need a map. Wait for the click of the silver trap. I feel the supernatural under my skin. Where does the human and the haunt begin? High speed chase on a velvet floor. Knock once, then we break the door. Hunt the demons, we see the starlight, blinding the ghost in the middle of the night. Supernatural move, we don't ever run. Finish the hunt when the work is done. Check the pulse, check the digital sign. Crossing the line, crossing the line. No evidence left in the dust and the heat. Hunt is a habit, never a retreat. Wait for the starlight to hit the blade. We are the ones that the demons made afraid. Higher we climb where the air is thin. Let the real hunt now begin. Hunt the demons, we see the starlight, blinding the ghost in the middle of the night. Supernatural move, we don't ever run. Finish the hunt when the work is done. Starlight in my pocket, case is closed. Hunt 'em down, that's just how the story goes. Hunt, hunt.
This celestial odyssey, zenith is radiant, a symphony of starlight, infinite ethereal. Riding the solar winds, 1,000 suns ignite. We claim the sky with our defiance, a legacy written in cosmic fire. We claim the sky with our defiance. From silent voids where starlight died, my spirit's wings were open wide. I broke the shackles of the shade. For this ascent my soul was made. Ride the skyline's fire, a new horizon's calling higher.